everyone! I would love to be making a video telling you all about the amazing places I've been lately, or perhaps even showing off the haul I got on my recent shopping trip. But I can't do any of those things for two reasons. Firstly, because no matter what our truly appalling corrupt governments say, COVID is still a thing and I don't want to catch it. The outside world is full of disease. But the second reason is, well, I can't really afford to go anywhere or do anything. Money stress is horrible, and I appreciate that I am very privileged in as much as I have parents who tolerate the fact that I still live at home at an age where they thought they would be well shot of me, and that definitely helps. But that doesn't mean that I don't have bills. My car is on finance, which I pay monthly for. My phone bill has to come out of my bank account every month. There's membership to the chorus I sing with, which has to be paid monthly. I pay towards my car service each month so it doesn't come out in a big shock once a year. And of course, my NHS dentist recently went private, so now I have to pay monthly for that as well. And now that I work for myself, some months are fine. It's just that some months are a lot harder. Oh, come on. 2p. Great. For example, this month I have my car tax to pay and also my car insurance to pay on top of all the monthly bills that I usually have. Okay, it's time to open the emergency fund. Wow. Well, that's not going to help very much. When you find yourself struggling financially, you start searching for spare change anywhere you might have left it, and then when you don't find any, you get desperate. Hey Siri, how much would I get for selling a kidney? Again, I know I'm in a very privileged position. I am not about to become completely destitute, and I am not trivializing people who are a lot worse off than me, but I will say that money is a real cause of stress for me right now. Or should I say the lack of it? And the trouble is, as I said, you do kind of get desperate when you really need cash right now. And there are organisations and people who will absolutely take advantage of that. Yes, I am talking about those, incredibly wonderful payday loan companies. Do you need cash quick? Here at Not At All Sketchy, we guarantee to approve you for a loan with no credit check required. Get up to £5,000 in your bank within 24 hours with a totally fine and normal interest rate of 2,793% with Not At All Sketchy, a loan company you can trust. Your home is at risk if you do not keep up repayments. Not At All Sketchy reserves the right to up your interest rate at any time. We also now own your soul. And of course, I'm talking about people who peddle ludicrous get-rich-quick schemes, most of which are just scams, and most of which end up with people in more debt than they were in when they started. If you ask me, there's a special place in hell for these organisations and people that claim to be helping the financially vulnerable, but actually end up making them a lot worse off. Oh, and don't even get me started on what I think about online casinos and gambling websites, and the fact that gambling adverts are now allowed on television again because, they used to be banned, but again, our wonderful government, who are not at all morally bankrupt, decided to bring them back. I'm sorry that this is quite a short and not incredibly cheerful video, but honestly, I just wanted to get it filmed and edited quickly so I could get back to work faster and hopefully bring in some pennies. Seriously though, do you know how much I get for selling a kidney? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. You can click on my floaty head if you'd like to subscribe, and last week's video is over there. I will talk to you all next week. Take care everyone. Bye!